So how many units of Botox are required to treat frown lines, or these two we call sometimes the 11s, or the two lines between your eyebrows that get deeper when you make an angry face? Well, the recommended dose is 20 units for that area to treat frown lines. Many or different people have different dose response to Botox. That is to say, in some people it'll take a little bit more if they have very strong muscles. Frequently men have stronger muscles in that area. Some people are very sensitive to Botox, so it may take a little bit less Botox in those people for that area. So generally what I do is I start with the recommended dose. And then we see what we get. If we get a nice response, we continue with that dose. If you want a little bit more, we can always add to the dose. Botox is priced by the unit because most of the cost is actually the cost of the product. So a higher dose does become a higher price. But it's a matter of finding just that right dose for you. Now, Botox dose response is more like a light switch. So if you get enough dose, then the light switch flips and you actually get a response from it. If you're less than that dose, the light switch doesn't flip and you don't get the dose. So you can't, for example, put half the dose and get half as much of a response from people. There is sort of a certain dose that works for people, and it's a matter of just finding that dose.